If you got a regular Nintendo NES and the game doesn't work or the light flashes red, then I'm going to show you how to fix that. Really simple, really easy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn my TV on the right channel. Okay, now let's see if the red light flashes. No, it worked perfect. Okay, let's switch games. Red light flashing. It's not working. Okay, turn it off. Tap the sides a couple times. Get it in line. Turn it on. Works perfect. Okay, let's try another game. Spy versus Spy, one of my favorites. Green screen didn't work. Green screen. Reset doesn't work. Okay, turn it off. Tap on the side. Turn it back on. And it works. Sometimes you can tap it a little more if it's not working properly, and then it works perfect. Great game. Anybody that has a Nintendo NES and you want to know how to fix your red light, this is an easy way to try to fix yours. Thanks.